In this video, I'm going to talk about Lab 3, Exercise 3 in CIS30A. And in Exercise 3, it's given months DQ is a deck, and that deck originally starts with March, April, and May as elements in the deck. Then we have to append June, July, and August to the right side of the deck, and we would append December, January, and February to the left side of the deck. Every time that we append, we have to display the updated deck, and then we would remove the first item, display the update, remove the last item, display the update, and then remove June from the deck and then display the update. So to start, to use Deque, we first have to import collections module, so that should be the first line in our program. Lab 3, Exercise 3. And then we're gonna go ahead and initialize the deck. So here we have months DQ, and it is a deck, so we can see that it's from the collections module. We're using Deque March, April, and May. So with the month DQ, we are going to append June, July, and August to the deck. So each of these get appended, and then we're going to go ahead and print. Then next on the left, we're going to append December, January, and February. So after we append left, we are going to print again. So as you can see, first we have March, April, and May. We appended to the right June, July, and August. Then on the next round, what we did was we appended left February, January, and December. And then as you can see, it's gonna be last in, so that's gonna be the first that's out, so that's first there. And so after we appended left, we printed, then we're gonna go ahead and pop, we're gonna remove from the right, so we are gonna go ahead and remove August. So that's gonna get popped, and when we reprint, it shows the months without August. Then we are going to pop left, so we are going to remove February. So Feb is removed here, and then when we print, no more February on the next one. Then when we use remove, we can actually remove the specific. So in this case, we're going to remove June, which is in the middle here, closer to the right. So when we print, we have no longer June in our deck. So as you can see, when you use remove, you can put in specific item value. In this case, we put in June, and it's going to remove that. So if you need to get rid of an element near the middle, you can use the remove. But if you're using pop, we can either pop from the right, which is the last item, to the right hand side, or if we pop from the left, that would be the first item from the left hand side. So if we do a pop left, it's going to revert to that first item on the left. So as you can see, these are the built-in method that we can use with Deque. And also at the beginning, we also have append, and we can append, we can add individual item to our list. But for the right, as you go, the last item comes in, it's going to list it as the last right here. But for the left, for December, the first item is going to come in. It's going to push it in. So the last item is going to also be on the first one for the left side. So a pen and a pen left is a way that we can add items to both sides of the deck. Where pop and pop left is a way that we can remove items from both sides of the deck. And remove is where we would remove specific item value from the deck. And this concludes my Lab 3 exercise 3 in CIS 30, which is writing a deck.